Hey guys, this is Brad Kemp from Blue Nile Farm. If you're interested in a really high grade commercial level pressure washer that is going to be very user friendly, one that gives you the ability to clean just about anything, and it's at a fair cost, and it's a very durable and reliable unit, I suggest you look at a company called Pressure Pro. This is the Pressure Pro Eagle 2. It's run by a 13 horsepower Honda. Um, GX390 motor. It is a 4,000 psi pressure washer that has 4 gallons per minute of use, and the 4 gallons is what you really want in a pressure washer to get more water pressure to do more of a solid cleaning. If you are dealing with excavators, tractors, concrete, uh, hard to get off material that's on, dump trucks or equipment, you cannot go wrong with this pressure washer. And it retails for approximately $1,800, and it's well worth the investment. It has a nice aluminum solid body. It has a very solid pump to it. Everything I use on this thing is quick attach setup, so it's very efficient and very effective. It comes with various tips. As a 40-degree tip, which I use the most, especially when I'm just washing something, because it has the power to basically blast off decals. There's a 25-degree tip, a 15-degree tip, a 0, and even a 65 for chemical applications. You can run all kinds of foam guns off of this. It's just even stubbies. You can do so much with this unit that you'll be very impressed, and it will smoke anything you'll get on the basically over-the-counter type pressure washer from a box store. Now, I did buy this from a box store. I actually bought it from Home Depot online, but that's the only way you're going to buy it. So I bought it sight unseen. I did a lot of research on it. I looked at a few videos on YouTube. There wasn't a whole bunch on these, but I'll tell you what, everybody that has one, I think really gives it high marks, and I have to support it. I'm not uh, compensated any way by this company, but because when I see a product that I like and I've used it and I believe in it, I want to kind of pass it on to you guys. And this is one that is definitely well worth the investment. And it doesn't matter if you live in the suburbs, you live in the country. This is a nice unit to have because you can do so much with it. So today we're going to blast this tractor behind me. It's my rebaling tractor. It sits stationary in the barn. We need it to basically unload a bunch of hay today. So we're going to clean this thing off real quick, and I thought what better time to use it and show you guys what it can do. So I want to give you guys a real basic walk around on the unit. Everything's stainless steel frame, and has a nice long gun, has a nice reach. And I created it and set it up where I have it with a lot of quick attach. So down here at the bottom is my actual water line, and this one's going to actually go to the hose reel that I have set up. And then I have a Simpson 100-foot with the hose reel attachment there, and basically I can move this around and it gives me an extra 100 foot of a length that I can use for spraying, so that really makes it handy. So overall it's a really simple system. That Honda engine, of course, is a great motor to use, and it's been maintenance free since I've owned it, and I've owned it for over a year, and I would definitely highly use it. I'm going to be using it on my house, and I'm sure it's going to do a great job. I've used it on this dump truck here and on excavators and a few other things, and it's done a great, fabulous job. So let's start spraying. So guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you a quick shot of what the Pro can do, a little bit of an introduction about it. I'll make another video more about the attachments and things that go along with it. I just want to kind of introduce you to it, and something that you should be checking out. If you have a farm or a home and you're really into washing, and you maybe want to do your house or your concrete driveway or any typical tough spot, I think that this Pressure Pro system is really a nice one to have, and it's really meets the bill for me. 4 gallons per minute, that's a good pressure washer. You can do just about anything with it. A lot of the pros are up, you watch them talk about having 8 gallons per minute, but that's way overboard for what most of you guys are going to need. And 4 gallons is really well worth it. So check them out. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.